Welcome to the installation guide for the Arnott front coilover strut for various GM SUVs GMT92x, 93x, and 94x short wheelbase and long wheelbase. This video will walk you through the steps to ensure a smooth and safe installation of your vehicle's suspension system. Let's get started. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Raise the vehicle and remove the front wheel to expose the front coil-over strut. Now, lift the hood to expose the top of the strut and locate and disconnect the electrical connector. Next, remove the wire clips, top mounting nuts, and the two lower mounting bolts. Loosen, but do not remove the sway bar end link hardware and carefully remove the strut from the vehicle. During the installation process, tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Now remove the top nuts from the strut. Place the strut in the vehicle orientated in the same manner as removed. Position the T-bar on top of the control arm to ensure proper mounting. Then install the supplied bolts through the lower control arm and shock mount, affix nuts, and tighten. Now tighten the sway bar end link and install the supplied top nuts. The coil-over strut installation is now complete. To install the coil sensor, start by installing the base provided in this kit onto the top of the shock rod. Tighten until secure. Next, install the fastener through the retained coil, followed by the dampening coil. Begin threading the pre-assembled top portion to the already installed base and tighten to 8 Newton meters. Orient the dampening coil's connector towards the engine and place the harness retention clips back into place. Then connect the vehicle's electrical connector to the coil sensor. The coil sensor installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott coil-over strut for various GM SUVs. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system.